What is going on, friends? If you're a programmer or a developer, you need to learn Linux. The majority of servers running in the cloud are Linux-based, and at some point, you will need to troubleshoot issues on the server. In this lesson, I will show you 35 Linux commands you need to know. Without any delay, let's get started. First, we have the ls command. This command is used to list the folders and files in the current directory. You can modify the behavior of the ls command by using options. ls-a. This shows the hidden files and directories. As you can see, files and directories starting with a dot are hidden by default. ls-l shows more information about the files. Next is the pwd command, print work directory. This command shows the current directory. As you can see, I'm in the desktop directory. The cd command allows you to navigate between directories in the file system. My current directory is desktop. Let me navigate into the project directory by using the cd command. Cd followed by the name of the directory, project, pwd. My current directory is now project. cd ... takes you to the parent directory of the current directory. So I'm back in desktop. You can use cd followed by dash to switch back to the previous directory you are in. As you can see, I'm in the project directory. The touch command is primarily used to create an empty file. Touch followed by the name of the file we want to create, todo.txt. ls. An empty file has been created. You can create multiple files at once by specifying multiple names. Touch a.txt, b.txt. ls, a.txt and b.txt have been created. Now, how can we write into a file? We need a text editor. I'm going to use Vim. Vim, which is the name of the editor, is followed by the name of the file, todo.txt. By default, Vim opens a file in read mode, but you can switch to insert mode to edit the file. First, press escape to exit the current mode, then press I to enter insert mode. Code, build, it, Python, Node, Java. After writing, press escape to exit insert mode. To save and exit, type : followed by WQ. The file is saved. The next command is cat. You can use the cat command to display the contents of a file in the terminal. Cat todo.txt. As you can see, this is the content we wrote into the file. You can view the content with line numbers by using -n. Cat -n todo.txt. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The head command displays the first part of a file, head todo.txt. By default, it shows the first 10 lines. To view a specific number of lines from the top, you need to use -n. Head -n, I only want to see the first 4 lines. 4. todo.txt. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next on my list is tail. This command shows the last part of a file, tail todo.txt. By default, it shows the last 10 lines. Let's use -n to display a specific number of lines. -n 2. Node and Java. The mkdir command is used to create a new directory. mkdir make directory followed by the name of the new directory, new folder. This is the new folder. If you want to create nested directories in one command, you can use -p, make dir, outer, inner, -p. This command will create the inner directory inside the outer directory. Let's execute the command ls. This is the outer directory, cd outer directory, ls, cd inner directory. So we've been able to create 2 directories in one command. The cp command is used to copy files or directories from one location to another. Cp followed by the file you want to copy, then the name of the destination, outer, cd outer, ls. As you can see, todo.txt is now in the outer directory. We copied todo.txt into the outer directory by using the cp command. If you want to copy a directory, you need to use -r cd ... to go to the parent directory, which is desktop. Now, let's try to copy this work directory into the outer directory. Cp work into the outer directory. -r not specified, so we need to use the -r command. Cp-r work outer. Now, let's go back into the outer directory to see if we can find the work directory. Cd outer ls. As you can see, the work directory is now in the outer directory. Next is the rm command. The rm command is used to delete files and directory. Rm followed by the name of the file you want to delete. Rm todo.txt, ls. So todo.txt is deleted. To delete a directory, you need to use -r. Let's delete the outer directory. Remove outer. Cannot remove outer is a directory, so we need to use -r to remove the directory. ls. The outer directory has been deleted. rmdir. This command is used to remove empty directories. Let's run the command on the downloads directory. Remove dir, downloads. So we can only use rmdir to remove an empty directory. Cd, desktop. Let me create an empty directory. Make dir folder 2. Now let's use remove dir to remove the empty folder. ls. So the empty directory has been deleted. Next is the mv command. This command is used to move files and directories from one location to another. mv followed by the file or directory we intend to move. New.png, then the destination, new folder. So we want to move new.png into the new folder. You can decide to remove the slash. Let's execute the command ls. As you can see, the image is no longer in this directory. It has been moved into the new folder. Let's check new folder, cd new folder, ls. This is the moved image. Let me open the image by using the open command, open new.png. So this is the image. Another use of mv is to rename files and directories. For instance, I can decide to rename this image mv new image and the name of the new image, let's say new1.png, ls. So the image has been renamed. Open new1.png. So we have the same image. Let's try to rename a folder. cd ... ls. Now I want to rename this folder mv new folder, and the new name is going to be new1_folder, ls. new1_folder, cd new1_folder, ls. As you can see, the folder has been renamed. The clear command is used to clear the terminal screen. The shortcut for this command is to press Ctrl L. Let's say ls, ls, ls. Now I'm going to press Ctrl L, Ctrl L. As you can see, the screen has been cleared. Next, we have the echo command. The echo command is used to display a string in the terminal. Echo, hi there. You can also use it to append text to an existing file, ls. So I want to append text to a.txt. Cat a.txt. A.txt is empty. Now let's append text to a.txt. Echo hi a.txt. Let's run the command again. Cat a.txt. As you can see, we've used append to add a text into the file. If you use just a single arrow, it overwrites the existing file. Let's make use of an arrow. Cat a.txt. It works. Next is the man command. This command provides detailed information about the usage of a specific command. Man ls. List directory contents. Press Q to quit. So if you want to know more about a particular command, you can use the man command. The curl command is a powerful tool for making network requests from one server to another. It supports protocols such as HTTP, FTP, and more. So I can use this command to visit websites. curl paste http google.com. This is the content returned by google.com. Who am I displays the username of the current user. Who am I? Ray. Sudo allows you to run a command with root privileges. Sudo ls. Password for Ray. If you run a command and encounter a permission denied error, you can try running it with sudo. The cal command displays a calendar in the terminal. Cal. You can also display a specific month and year. Cal 2/2025. The SSH command allows you to securely log into a remote machine. SSH -i key.pem root at the IP address xxx. You can log into a machine by specifying the username and the IP address. Key.pem is the permission key. The grep command is used to search for specific patterns or text within files. To use it, you need to specify the pattern, def, and the name of the file. This means we want to search for this pattern in this file. As you can see, it shows the patterns in the file. You can also specify multiple files, timmy and a.txt. So this pattern is coming from timmy, which is the name of the file. If you want to search for a pattern in a directory, you need to use -r grep -r. The pattern is code and the directory is new1_folder. No match found. Next, we have the history command. History displays a list of commands you have previously executed. These are the previous commands we executed. To clear the history of commands, we need to use -c. Now let's use history again. Only one history is returned. We can use grep to search for a pattern in the history. Grep, and the pattern is ry. This shows all previous commands having ry. You use the zip command to create zip files. Zip followed by the name of the final zip file, compressed.zip. Then list the files you want to include in the zip. A.txt, B.txt, timmy. Press enter on the keyboard. ls. A zip file has been created. To zip an entire directory, you can use -r. Zip -r. The name of the zip file should be compressed directory, and the name of the directory we want to zip is new1 folder. ls compressed directory.zip. To unzip a zip file, you use the unzip command. Unzip compressed.zip. This extracts the contents of compressed.zip into the current directory. Let me first delete the initial files. Remove a.txt, b.txt, and timi. The files are removed. Now, let me use unzip to extract the content of compressed.zip. Unzip compressed.zip ls. As you can see, the contents of compressed.zip have been extracted into this directory. To extract to a specific directory, you need to use -d followed by the name of the directory, new. ls cd new ls. It works. Reboot. This command is used to restart the system immediately. To shut down the system, we use the shutdown command, shutdown now. This is going to shut down the system immediately. Shut down at a specified time. This will schedule a shutdown in 5 minutes. Shutdown scheduled. We can use shutdown-c to cancel a scheduled shutdown. If you want to install or remove a software package, you can use the apt command, apt install, followed by the name of the package, git. Permission denied. Now, let's run the command as a super user by using sudo apt install git. The password. Apt remove is used to uninstall a package. Apt remove followed by the name of the package. Permission denied, so we can make use of sudo. ps displays the currently running processes on the system. ps. Next is the kill command. This command is used to terminate a process by using its process ID, kill. The process ID is 2965. pkill is similar to the kill command. However, in this case, we use the name of the process we want to terminate. pkill Firefox. If you notice, the Firefox browser is currently running. Let's see what happens when I terminate the process pkill followed by the name of the process. As you can see, the Firefox is no longer running. The systemctl command is used to manage systemd services and units. It allows you to start, stop, and check the status of services on your system. For instance, we can check the status of nginx by writing systemctl status nginx. This shows that nginx is running. You need to press Q to exit. The find command is used to locate files and directories within a specified directory. The find command is followed by the path. Let's look for a directory. The path is new, which is a directory, -name, and then the pattern we want to search, .txt. This part is a regular expression. So we want to search files and directories following this pattern in this directory. We have a.txt and b.txt, cd new. This file does not end with .txt. The chmod command changes the permissions of files and directories. The first number in the mode represents the permission for the file's owner. In this case, the owner of the file may read, write, or execute it. The second number represents the permissions for the group associated with the file. The group may only write the file. All other users cannot access the file. ls-lh to display information about the files in this directory. todo.txt. As you can see, the owner of the file may read, write, or execute. The group can only write. All other users cannot access the file. Next is the change ownership command, chown, change ownership. You use this command to change the owner of a file or a directory. In Linux, all files are associated with an owner and a group. The user path is the username or the user ID of the owner. So we want to specify a new user for todo.txt root. The group is optional. Then you need to specify the name of the file todo.txt. Changing ownership of todo.txt. Operation not permitted. We can use the sudo command sudo, the password, ls-lh, todo.txt. The first part represents the file permissions. The owner can read, write, and execute. The group can only read. Other users cannot access the file. As you can see, the new owner of the file is root. This is the size of the file. The number 1 represents the number of hard links. But what are links? I will explain links in the next command. The ln command is used to create links to files and directories. Links are references that point to a file or directory. If you move or delete the original file, a soft link, also known as a symbolic link, becomes broken. Let's create a soft link for todo.txt. ln-s, we need to specify the name of the original file, todo.txt, and the name of the link, linked todo.txt. ls. As you can see, a new link has been created, ls-lh. Linked todo.txt is pointing to todo.txt. Cat todo.txt to see the content. Cat linked todo.txt. The content of the two files is the same. Any changes to the original file will be reflected in the link. I'm going to append a string to the original file, echo new content todo.txt. Cat todo.txt. New content cat linked todo.txt. If I delete the original file, which is todo.txt, the soft link becomes broken. Remove todo.txt. Cat linked todo.txt. No such file or directory. So a soft link is like a shortcut to a file. If the original file is deleted, the shortcut becomes useless. A hard link is a mirror copy of the original file. If the original file is deleted, it remains accessible via the hard link. Let's try an example. Echo hard link hard.txt cat hard.txt. Now let's create a hard link for this file. Link hard.txt and the name of the hard link, linked hard.txt. Cat linked hard.txt hard link. As you can see, the content is the same. Next, we need to delete the original file. Remove hard.txt. Cat linked hard.txt, so we can still access the link after the original file has been deleted. You might wonder why we can't simply duplicate the file instead of creating a hard link. One benefit of hard links is that they don't consume extra memory. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks.